to Fasting and Healthy Living. Today's topic is about what are the benefits of fasting. So we've been talking about fasting this week, and I wanted to step by step each organ how fasting is getting benefited. Let's start from the brain. So when you fast, what the first thing happens is it increases the BDNF, that is brain derived neurotrophic factor. What happens is it increases the mental clarity. So when you fast, you're burning ketones, and the ketones are the fuel for your brain, and improves your mental focus, especially with people with like who are studying. Their focus will be more improved when you're fasting. So it's highly recommended. And there's in studies which have done in Alzheimer's patients where ketones are used as a fuel, and that has improved their mental clarity. So first one is brain. It increases your mental clarity and focus. Second one is your heart. So when you are fasting, the first thing which it helps is like it decreases your heart rate, and thereby improving the blood flow, and thereby improving the efficiency of your pumping of your heart. It also decreases the blood pressure and also improves the blood flow to the heart muscles and cells. Next one is your lungs. So lungs is actually when there is a lot of fat in your body, some of the tissues and organs in our body is actually suffocated, especially lungs. People who have breathing trouble, who are overweight, have breathing trouble, they have been having problems just because there is fat deposits around the lungs. So by fasting, you're reducing the fat around the lungs and thereby increasing your lung volume. So by decreasing the fat around the lungs, this is the help which is by doing fasting. Next is your gut. The gut repair is the maximum benefit which is being in fasting. By doing fasting, what you're doing is you're increasing your good gut bacteria. I've already talked in my video about how gut bacteria is more important in your healthy living. In this process, by doing fasting, you're repairing your gut microbiome, and you're decreasing the amount of bad bacteria and increasing amount of good bacteria. Also, people who have SIBO, if anybody who have heard of small intestinal bacterial growth, this is a best condition where you can fast and decrease the SIBO. It's a condition where the bacteria overgrow in your stomach. So stomach lining will change and the mucus lining will get more thicker so that the permeability is decreased. So gut bacteria will improve and thereby improving your health. Most one is liver. By fasting, liver is the major organ which is being affected or being benefited. Liver detox itself. As you know, liver is the only organ which regrows, and in this condition, fasting helps tremendously by decreasing your insulin sensitivity, increasing your antioxidant activity. It helps in fighting against microbes. As you know, the immune health is much important, and liver plays a major role in it. And liver detoxify itself, especially in fatty liver conditions. Fasting benefits tremendously. 100% clear that a grade 4 fatty liver person can be reversed by doing fasting. So that is the most benefit out of it. Next one is pancreas. As you all know, my journey started by this area where I started fasting for my diabetes issue, and I have now almost my blood sugar is running as a normal person. I have no diabetes. I'm not taking any medication. How? By doing fasting. The fasting helps in reversing diabetes, especially people who are newly diagnosed. There is 100% chance that you can reverse diabetes, and makes the pancreas function better and insulin production better, thereby decreasing the insulin sensitivity, making you overall like free from diabetic. Next one is hormones. There is an upregulation of hormones in your body when you are fasting. Fasting especially, it increases the growth hormone production and thereby improving the estrogen, progesterone. Especially women over 40 experience a lot of hormonal issues. People who are over 40 are highly recommend to fast just because of the reason the hormone will get balanced by it. So these are the benefits of fasting. Each and every organ will have a benefit of fasting, and also inflammation, your bones, your achy joints, everything will be reduced by doing fasting. So let's all fast together, guys. Thank you.